This question is in continuation with the previous question. It is saying that in the above question the maximum rate at which energy is stored in the capacitor. So at what rate the energy is stored in the capacitor? Okay, so we have calculated the rate of energy stored in the capacitor, and just we have to say that what is the maximum rate at which energy is stored in the capacitor. So if you look in the previous question, we have calculated the rate of energy stored, and that was IQ by C. Okay, so I will use this expression, and then I will put the value of T over there to get the answer. So let us continue with so rate of energy stored in the capacitor is maximum, that means d by dt. So d by dt we got q times I by c. So q I can substitute here as ce 1 minus e raised to the power minus t by rc, and then by c, and I is basically e by r e raised to the power minus t by rc. So you can see c and c will cancel. We will get that e square by r 1, that is e raised to the power minus t by rc minus e raised to the power minus 2t by rc, and we have got the value of t as ln 2 millisecond in the previous problem, and R and C are given. So RC we got here as 1 millisecond in the previous problem. So E is given to us. If we check what's the value of E given, E is 20 volt and C is 100 microfarad. So E is your 20 volt, so 20 square, and R is 100, then sorry, E is 20 and R is 10. R is 10 here. So 20 square by 10 e raised to the power minus ln 2, and this is 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2 ln 2. So this will become 400 by 10, that is 40, and 1 by e ln 2 minus 1 by e raised to the power 2 ln 2. So we can say that this is also e raised to the power ln 2 is how much? So let's say this is y. So if I take log on both the sides, then I will write ln y equals to ln e raised to the power ln 2. So ln y will become ln 2 times ln e, and ln e is how much? 1, because base is e. So y we get here as 2. That means its value is equals to 2. So 40, and this is 1 by 2, and minus this is nothing but, if we just focus, it is e ln 2 of whole square. So this is 40, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 square. So we get here 40 into 1 by 4, and this is how much? That is 10 joule per second.